Hello everyone, welcome to my programming club. Today we will be solving another daily Leetcode problem, and the problem's name is Seat Reservation Manager. So you have to design a system that manages the reservation state of n seats numbered from 1 to n. Implement the following seat manager class. Seat manager constructor will initialize a seat manager object which will manage n seats numbered from 1 to n. Okay, all the seats are initially available in the reserve function. What you have to do is you have to find the smallest numbered unreserved seat and reserve it and return its number. Okay, then what you have to do is you have to complete another function with or method unreserve, which will unreserve the seat with a given seat number, and it will be available for reservation for other customers. Okay, so let's have a look at the constraints. So the constraints are the seat number will be ranging from 1 to 10 raised to power 5, and for each call to reserve it is guaranteed that it will there will be at least one reserved unreserved seat. So there will be at least one seat remaining when the reserve call will be made. And for each call of unreserved, it is guaranteed that the seat number will be reserved. Okay. So at most 10 raised to power 5 calls in total will be made to reserve and unreserve both together. So let's see how we will be solving this problem. Basically, the whole logic, or say the implementation, boils down to one basic problem here, that somehow you have to maintain the order of the unreserved seats. Okay, so if let's say there is a there is one register available for unreserved seats, and in this register the seat number with the smallest value is always at the top, and it's like a tree like structure. Okay, so whenever you will query for the root of the tree, then it will be the smallest seat possible, seat number possible. Okay, and once you, let's say, remove this root, the structure is like that it will reassemble itself, and again the top will be the smallest seat number possible. If root removed, then also then smallest seat number will be available at will be available as root again. This is a kind of heap data structure. Those of you who are not familiar with what a heap data structure is, I will be providing link for it. Link of article will be provided here, and we will be using inbuilt heap, which is min heap here, to suit our purpose, to get the minimum seat number always. Minimum minimum unreserved seat always. Okay, so mini implementation in which language we are implementing? Java, I think. Okay, so in Java it's priority queue. Okay, so priority queue by default in Java is in increasing order, or it will be a min heap. Okay, so without further delay, let's implement the two methods. So initially you will be declaring a private, uh, let's say priority queue, and let's call it register, or say seat register. And initially it will be initialized to null. And then once you call the constructor, you will initialize your seat register to a new priority queue, and then what you will do is you will uh, enter the number of seat numbers that are initially unreserved, that all are initially unreserved. So we will be starting from the very first seat to the nth seat, and we will be incrementing. And then in priority queue we will push seat register dot offer seat. Okay, I think in Java it's offer, and then in reserve you will get the minimum seat which is reserved. So you will remove the top of the priority queue, and remove the topmost element of min heap, which is seat register. Okay, and return it. So return seat register dot full. Okay, and when you will unreserve the seat number, you will again enter it into your seat register. Seat register dot offer seat number. Okay, let's try to submit for the sample test cases. Actually, I have to verify whether these two function method names are correct or not in Java. Let me verify. Yeah, it's poll, and I think instead of offer, it's add. Anyhow, let's have a look at the function. No offer is also there. Okay, and yeah, I think it should work. Let's see. I'm submitting for the sample test cases. As you can see, it's getting accepted. So let's submit for the final evaluation. Yeah, it's getting accepted for the final all the test cases also. And that's how we will be solving the problem. And if you are having any kind of doubts or queries, please feel free to ask them in the comment section. I will be more than happy to answer. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.